Buongiorno. Hi, well, come on in. Let me show you our all-suite yacht. This is Windstar. This is a power yacht, and it's an all-suite ship. So every single place is going to be a suite. Come on in and check out the bathroom. I haven't even seen it myself yet. Double sinks. This happens to be one of the suites with a balcony. There are not many of them on this ship, so we get to show you that, which is amazing. We just got on board, already exceeded expectations. This is our walk-in closet, as you can see. You could literally have, someone sleep in there, but we don't need to do that. Come on over here. Here's the area where the living area is. There is a full mini bar that is stacked, and that's all included in the beverage package if you get the all-in package. And it's pretty well stacked with I see Hennessy. Go in there, Joel. Show the people like that kind of stuff. So that's all you can drink in your cabin. We don't usually drink in the cabin, but I know some people like to. And then all of this velour plush. Oh, it's so decadent. I feel like I shouldn't have my shoes on, frankly, but I just got here. So it's already exceeded expectations. It took us approximately 5 minutes to embark. We got downstairs. We spoke to the receptionist, and just a second ago she called me, and we've been here approximately 5 minutes to tell me that if she could get us on a tour that we wanted. She might have some cancellations, already trying to go above and beyond. Another thing our son mentioned is as they got in the elevator, the porter actually pressed the button for the elevator for him, and he said, "Boy, they know what I need before I need it," was his exact statement. Look at this fresh rose that we got. You don't usually get that on a ship. By the time we walked on board, there was already twice people got ahead of us to make sure that we weren't lost. Even though it's a 300-passenger ship, they're just above and beyond, but not stuffy feeling. It doesn't feel strained. It feels very, very natural, like they just want to serve. Here's the balcony. It's a very small balcony. It's not a sit-on balcony, but this way you can actually sit outside if you wanted to, or stand outside. More like a French balcony, I think I would call it, even though you can step outside there. And then I suspect these are beautiful beds. Oh, this does feel like home. I don't know if it's a Tempur-Pedic, but it does feel like it's got a nice place to rest. We're very, very excited about this experience. We want to share it with you. So follow us on TravelFun.Biz. I'm Shelby, your fabulous winter in the Med.